Hey guys, so I'm back and we have a Nadine West unboxing, unbagging, whatever it is you want to call. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I'm feeling a little beachy, a little cruise wear today. I actually received some news lately that we might actually get to go on our cruise in September. Carnival is slated to start doing cruises in Galveston August 1st, and ours is mid-September, and I actually got approval from my boss to go. So the stars are lining up, it might actually happen. So fingers crossed. That's why I'm like, this is something I would actually wear like on the cruise. I don't know, I just felt inspired, I guess. Whatever, judge me if you will. I think I look cute. We're gonna go ahead and dive on in. So for those of you who aren't aware, Nadine West is a clothing subscription service. They send you at least 5 items, but I've gotten as many as 12, and there doesn't really seem to be any rhyme or reason as to the number of products you get, other than just like, guess what? This is what you're getting. You do fill out like a little style quiz, and you give them your measurements and everything, and you can give them feedback, but it is a little bit different from other subscription services like Stitch Fix, and it's definitely one of the more cheaper clothing subscription boxes. In fact, based on what I've seen, this is possibly the cheapest. I believe it is a $10 monthly styling fee, but you can change frequency of when you get your boxes or your bags, or whatever you want to call it. So with that being said, let's look at our first bundle here. See some, is that blue camo? Different, oh, okay. So I'm digging the mustard color. Okay, it's a pair of shorts. I don't hate them. I do kind of need another pair of shorts, but if they're expensive, like they have been, then I don't know. Oh, this is a very, very vivid green. It's a vivid green, lightweight cotton top with a little tie down here. I don't hate it. It's very wrinkly, obviously, but that would, you know, be fixed by some ironing or just a quick run in the wash. I don't hate it. I have my same usual fears about how sheer it is. We'll just kind of have to see how that tries on. And then I was correct. There is some blue camo shorts that this makes me think of what boys used to wear in like late 90s, early 2000s. Like I feel like these shorts exist like on The Sims 2. Then you can like dress your Sims in them. Do you guys get what I'm saying? I'll try them on. I'm not a big fan of them just looking at them, but they're just not quite me. Also included is your invoice right here, and if you don't like anything that they send in the bag, you do send it back, so you don't have to, you only pay for what you keep. So on the other part of this is a prepaid mailing stamp to send anything you don't like back. And then there is another bundle over here. This is what the other bundle looks like. There's something interesting I'm looking at right now. Okay, ooh, I like me some floral. More floral, please. Oh, this is cute. So it is a floral top with, I don't know what to call that in the front, but you know, stringy detail in the front. It is a little sheer again, so I definitely would have to wear something underneath this, which already takes points away from it because we are getting into Texas summer and I'm not about layering clothes in Texas summer. Looks like we have some jewelry here. What is this? It is a bracelet and it has some charms on it. In fact, this actually would be perfect for cruises. It is a little cheaper feeling. Can I get it on? Sometimes they send you jewelry that I can't even get on my wrist. Ooh, I can actually get it on. It's actually pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. I actually really like this. It makes me think of something I'd wear when I was 4, but at the same time, I still like it. I've noticed the quality of their jewelry has kind of gone downhill. This is actually a necklace that I got from Nadine West a couple years ago. It has a little pineapple right there. But I ain't mad about this bracelet. If it's the right price, I might actually be keeping it. What else? Oh, is this another bracelet? It kind of looks like a hair tie. What is it? So this is the next bag. Oh, it is a bracelet. Those aren't hair ties. that's different. So this is what it looks like. It's got a vague leopard print, which, as we may or may not have discussed, I'm not sure if I'm in too much these days. Carol Baskin, I'm sorry, she's just kind of made it uncool. I don't know. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I like the style of it. If it weren't leopard print, I'd be more interested in keeping it. That's my thoughts on that. This will most likely end up getting returned. Let's see. And then I do see one more little baggie. And I think is this another bracelet? Did they really send me 3 bracelets? They did send me 3 bracelets. Okay. Whatever. Now looking at this, they charge $9.78 as the styling fee, so about $10. This is another bracelet, but I'm afraid to take it out of this bag just because I'm afraid, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it out of the bag. I don't know why they wouldn't have taken it out of the bag for me. It is a very similar bracelet to the first one they sent. It does have a seahorse on it. So you can give them feedback. I don't know how well they actually listen to my feedback. They know I'm a curvy girl. They know I have some sizing issues sometimes because some of their mediums are like junior mediums and not like adult lady mediums. Go ahead and try on this bracelet. This is also cute, but I don't find it as cute as the other bracelet. And unfortunately, as far as this invoice goes, it doesn't give you a whole lot of information about which bracelet is which, but you can go on to their website to figure it out. So 2 of the bracelets are $15, one of them is $17, and I'm not sure which one of these is $17. I feel like the one bracelet might be worth it. The first bracelet I tried on. I might not be able to get this bracelet off now. This might be problematic. Oh, there we go. We're good. We Gucci. Never fear. Anyways, back in the bag you go. Let's see. And then I have at least one more item here to look at. What is this? Okay. Giant cluster. This is this a jumpsuit? It's a jumpsuit. And it's cute looking. Okay, so that's interesting. It is a combination of floral and zebra print. I'm definitely gonna have to try this on. So it's a jumpsuit and it has some sort of tie at the waist as well as an elastic. And it does look like it's full length. So we'll have to make sure it's not too long. Anyways, I'll be back in just a second to try on some of these clothes they sent me. Okay, so this is the jumpsuit. Here's the thing. I actually kind of like the way it fits, at least from here down. I'm not a huge fan of the combo zebra print, flower print thing that's going on here. I like the tie, it has pockets. It's a little like gappy in the back and a little loose in the front. It's kind of hard to tell. That might make more sense to you guys now. This is probably going back. If it had just been floral print, I'd probably keep it because I love me a good floral print. It's the zebra print that I'm not a huge fan of. So anyways, let's go take a look at what else they sent. So this is the top. I actually like this. The thing is, I have no idea what I would normally pair it with. I feel like in some weird way it kind of matches these shorts, but at the same time, these shorts are nothing I would ever wear in like normal life. I like how comfy this top is. It's really super soft and like loose in just the right way. But I have a lot of tops for just like wearing around the house doing yoga or cleaning or what have you. So it's not like I necessarily need this top. So I like it. If it's the right price, I might keep it. But if it's not the right price, then it's definitely going back. I'll pan down through these shorts in a minute. So these shorts, I was shocked that they actually fit because I'm a little bit of a curvy girl. So kudos to that because it is really hard to find shorts that fit curvy girls. They do cut off right here, right above the knee. Honestly, if this print weren't the print that it is, like if these were just like a normal khaki, I would probably keep these, but they're kind of a wild print for me. So yeah, these are going back for sure. So we're gonna talk about these shorts here for a minute. Yeah, so I thought they would have pockets, but it turns out there's no pockets. There are these snaps though, and you can undo these snaps all the way here. I am not going to, just because it's a little revealing. So maybe you can use them as a swimsuit cover up. I don't know. I like the color of them. The concept is interesting. I'm just not super in love with the straps, or not the straps, with the snaps. I just don't get it, I guess. As far as the top, I'll pan up in just a second. So I actually really like this top. It's really cute. It's not too sheer like I was concerned it might be. I call this a floral print, and technically I guess it's more of a leaf print. But either way, I really like it. It's light, it's breezy, it's not too sheer. So at least one keeper from this bag. Let's go, yeah, that was everything. So let's go do final conclusions. Okay, let's take a look at this invoice. I might have to take a look at the website afterwards and editing, might add some more thoughts, but just because it can be a little hard to figure out what is what as far as like the invoice goes, as we already discussed with the 3 different bracelets they sent me. But we'll go ahead and try to tackle this. So this top that I'm wearing right now is $14, so not bad. I'd probably keep it. That green crop top with the little tie detail, that's $27. So that one's going back. That's too much money for a cheap top like that. If, you know, it felt a little bit more higher quality, or maybe it was in a shade or pattern that was more to my liking, I could potentially see myself rationalizing it, but the lime greenness of it all, I just can't pull that off. The bottoms that I'm wearing right now are $19.49. We already discussed they're going back. The other bottoms that I tried on were $22. Already discussed they're going back. Are those like in style? Maybe I'm just too old now. Like, is that what the youths are wearing these days? I don't know. I don't get it. But if I'm just being like an old fogey, please let me know. But I just don't get it. They're calling it a dress, but it was actually a jumpsuit that I tried on. That was $30, and that's definitely one of the most expensive items they've ever sent me in a Nadine West. And we already discussed the bracelets are either $15 or $17, so I'll have to get down to the bottom of that. I probably will be keeping the one that had the multiple charms on it, this bad boy. I thought that was cute with the seahorse and the seashells on it. This one I'll probably end up keeping, but as long as it's not the $17 one, I can kind of rationalize the $15 one. Or if it comes down to, I need to go look at my clothing budget, I might either keep that bracelet or this top. I don't know about both, because when you think about it, $14 plus another $15, and that's a lot to spend on clothing that is, in my opinion, not of high quality, more fast fashion than anything else. That I'm concerned this top, with how it feels, may possibly degrade within a couple of washes. I actually watched something the other day that was like most fast fashion. People wear a total of 3 times, and then it starts falling apart and they end up donating it, and then ends up getting burned in third world countries. So, not to get all Debbie Downer on you guys, but it's definitely made me a little bit more conscious about my clothing purchasing habits, and yeah, so if things change from here on out, you'll know why. Anyways, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, consider doing the liking and the subscribing and the notifications and all this YouTube algorithm stuff. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and stay safe.